Smart healthy people, today we're going to make a very easy, healthy, and traditional Indonesian coconut-based snack, perfect for you to enjoy with hot tea or coffee and relax after a long day. Here we have 250 grams of grated coconut, 125 grams of sticky rice flour, 50 grams of sugar, 25 grams tapioca, 1 egg, the smallest, and 125 milliliters of water. And we also have the coconut oil for greasing later when we bake the winko. Okay, first we grate the coconut, using cone number 1. We're going to use a salad machine, so it's easier for us to grate. Beat the egg first. And now let's add all the ingredients: sugar, tapioca, sticky rice flour. Stir first, then add the eggs. Stir while pouring the water slowly. Mix well. Then, heat the square griddle with medium heat, grease VCO, and pour the mixture in a circular shape. Here I grilled it using the square griddle. The square shape is unique and makes it very convenient to grill eggs, sauté, make pancakes, and much more. Later on, we'll be able to see that it does not stick to the pan. Flip it over. If the bottom is brown, it means it's ready. Serve on a plate and garnish with sliced pandan leaves. Coconut taste is fragrant and of course there are no preservatives. It tastes better if you eat it while it's hot. This recook is definitely a must-try. Happy recook!